Hello students, welcome you all in this video where I am solving science model question paper 4 for the year 2025 and 26, and in this video I am going to solve 2 marks question from part 3 biology. Let's start with the question. So in this section we are going to solve 2 marks question. We have to answer 2 questions, each will carry 2 marks, so total we are going to get 4 marks from this section. So here we have an internal choice, whichever you feel easy you can write the or you can attempt that question. So question number 32 will start. What is geotropism? Name the plant part that is positively geotropic. So answer, geotropism is the growth of the plant part in response to the gravity. Geo means what? Geo means earth. Earth is nothing but which has gravity. Tropism means it is nothing but movement. So geotropism means it is a process in which the growth of the plant part takes place in response to gravity. So it may be towards the gravity or it may be away from the gravity. If it is towards the gravity, I'll write it here. If it is towards gravity, then it is called as positively geotropic. Very important. Positively geotropic. And if it is away from gravity, then it is called as what? Simple negatively geotropic. These both are called as in response with the gravity. So such type of movements are called geotropism. And in this question they have also asked name the plant part which is positively geotropic. Now if you see, for the plant we have parts like shoot, or I can say stem, we have root, we have flower, etc. If you see this all, stem will grow away from earth. It will grow towards upside. So upside means what? It is going away from earth. Earth is nothing but what? Gravity. So shoot is showing negatively geotropism. What about root? Root will grow downwards. Root will grow downwards. Root will grow inside the earth. And this I can say towards the earth or gravity. And towards means what? Here I have written. Towards means it is positive. So this will show positively geotropic. And they have asked the part which show positive geotropism, and therefore I have written root. You can see here. Root is positively geotropic because it grows downward in the direction of gravity. I hope you have understood this. If the same question asked and if they ask you negatively geotropism, then you can write the answer shoot or stem. Now the next is or, because it has an internal choice. Either you can answer this question, what is geotropism, or you can answer this question, whichever you feel easy. Name the hormone that perform the following functions in humans. So first is controlling the level of sugar in the blood. Simple, the hormone is insulin. Insulin is secreted by pancreas, and this hormone will help to level or control the sugar in the blood. It controls level of sugar in the blood. Then the second one is preparing the body to face the emergency situation. Emergency situation means what? Either to run from the situation or fight with the situation. So in those cases, the hormone work is called as adrenaline, or also called as epinephrine. Adrenaline, epinephrine, both the names are same. Either you can say this or you can use epinephrine. This hormone is secreted by adrenaline gland. Adrenaline gland, this is the gland which is present on the kidneys, and this hormone will help either to fight with the situation or the run from the situation. So I have written here, prepare the body to face emergency situation, flight or fight response. In this question they have asked you to write only the name. So if you write only insulin and only adrenaline hormone, then also you'll get the full mark. No need to explain like this in the sentence. This is just I have given to help you for the preparation, because here I am solving these question papers to help you all to prepare for your final exam. So that's why I have given this extra information. But remember, just if you write insulin and adrenaline, it is enough for this question. Now we'll see the next question. Now the question number 33, the approximate length of the small intestine of the animal A and B are given below table. Observe the data in the table and answer the question. So here we have one table. Here there is animal in the first column, animal A, animal B. In the second column we have length of the small intestine. In animal A, the length of the small intestine is 20 to 40 feet. So he see here 20 to 40 feet. And in animal B, the length of the small intestine is 5 to 8 feet. So if you see, this is the highest length and this is the smallest length. smallest of small length. Now, identify herbivorous and carnivorous animal among A and B. Support your conclusion. So to identify herbivorous and carnivorous animal from this, first we should know in which animals we can see highest and smallest length of the intestine. So see here, the answer is, before telling the answer, first I will explain my conclusions here. Herbivorous animals have a longer small intestine. Herbivorous animals means what? The animal which eat herbs. Herbs mean plants. Herbs means plants. So the animals which eat plants or herbivorous animals have longer small intestine because plant material like cellulose is hard to digest and requires more time and surface area for absorption. So small intestine, it is the part in the alimentary canal where complete digestion we can see. We can see complete digestion and also I can say absorption. So this we can see especially in small intestine. I'll write it here, small intestine. And as according to our information, here you can see plant's material, that is cellulose. It is very much hard to digest and require more time. And if it is require more time, then the small intestine length should be longer or should be higher. Therefore, 20 to 40 feet, which is the highest, that should be in the herbivorous animals, and therefore animal A is herbivorous. So I have written here herbivorous animals are A. But in case of carnivorous animal have shorter small intestine because animal protein is easier to digest and requires less time. And because they require less time, if the intestine is of small length, it is enough. So that is the reason. Therefore, I have written here carnivorous animals are B. So this is the answer for question number 33. And here we complete 2 marks question from this section, part C biology. I hope these answers will help you to prepare for your final exam. If you are getting little bit also help from this all the videos, then like, comment. If you have any doubts in the videos, share my videos with your friends and please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you so much.